In this video, I'll show you how to fix your HDMI problem with your Panasonic TV. This will work with older model, but also newer one. So let's get started. I have a few tips for you. The first thing you can try that is very quick and fix most of the HDMI problems is, first of all, to unplug all the HDMI devices that are connected to your Panasonic TV. Then unplug the Panasonic TV from the wall socket during 5 minutes. While this 5 minutes is passing, I want you to find the power button that is often located on the back or under the TV and keep press on this button during 30 seconds. When the 30 seconds has passed and the 5 minutes as well, you can plug back your TV in the wall socket and then one by one plug back each HDMI devices, and hopefully your HDMI devices and the ports will all work on your Panasonic TV. If this didn't work, I suggest that you try another HDMI cable. You probably have another one laying around in your house, so you don't have to buy another one. If you want to buy another one, I have put a link in the description to get one from Amazon. Some of these HDMI cables stop working properly with time, so it's good to check if this is the problem, since it's very easy to fix it. You just need to get another one. If you still have this problem, what I suggest that you unplug every HDMI cables from your Panasonic TV, take your finger, your thumb, and press firmly on each of these ports. Sometimes things get disconnected behind your TV, so the port is disconnected, it's loose, and just by pressing it very firmly, you're able to reconnect everything and make it work. Even when you connect back your HDMI cable, press a bit more firmly than you do usually, just to make sure that this connection is snug. I also need to mention that something you need to check is to make sure that you have this correct source selected, the correct input on your Panasonic TV. In the back of your TV, each HDMI ports have a number 1, 2, 3, and to select it, you need to select the source button on your remote control. Click on it. Some TVs even have a button behind it where it says input. Just click on it and make sure that the source matches the device that you want to use. So if it's an HDMI 1, make sure that HDMI 1 is selected on your Panasonic TV. Finally, if nothing works, you can always factory reset your Panasonic TV. This way, everything will be wiped off. You're gonna lose all the apps you installed, everything, but you'll start fresh. To do this, you need to press the menu button on the remote control, then choose Setup, select System, and then you should see Factory Default, select it, and it will be done. Some other Panasonic TV, maybe older ones, it's a bit different, but again, by going the menus, you should figure out how to factory reset your Panasonic TV, and hopefully this will solve your problem. So thanks for watching. Please leave a comment down below if one of these worked, and if you have other tips that can help other users, please leave them down below. I'm sure somebody will be grateful for that. So like this video, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.